On July 20th, 1969, millions of people watched their television screens and held their breath as the first man set his footprint on the surface of the moon.
It's one small step for man.
But when mankind took that giant leap on the moon, it had already been 10 years since the Russian Luna 2, a small unmanned spacecraft, had already reached the moon. And during the decade that followed, more than 12 other American and Russian probes had reached the moon to study and send images and information back to Earth, making it possible for the first man to walk on the moon. Since then, different probes have visited every planet in the solar system apart from Pluto, with some planets like Mars receiving several probes. Radio telescopes and optical telescopes, whether in observatories or in space like the Hubble telescope, are powerful methods of observing the universe, but are limited by the great distances to the subjects they are observing. Probes, however, are designed to collect information and images by actually traveling to the bodies they are to observe. Probes carry many types of instruments, including cameras and other devices that are sensitive to magnetism and different wavelengths of light, including infrared and ultraviolet, that reveal surface features and atmospheric conditions of planets and their moons. Some probes are only designed to make observations as they pass a celestial body from a distance. Such missions enable a spacecraft to visit more than one object. An orbiter, like the spacecraft Galileo, circles a planet or moon like a satellite to study and map its surface. Upon arrival at Jupiter in December 1995, the Galileo spacecraft delivered a probe that descended into the giant planet's atmosphere. Such a probe continues to transmit data until it reaches the surface or is destroyed by heat or atmospheric pressure. The Voyager 1 probe that was launched in September 1977 is now the furthest man-made object in space. After visiting Jupiter and Saturn, Voyager has recently crossed the boundaries of the solar system and is heading out into deep space. It is now traveling at an estimated speed of 61,000 kilometers per hour. Onboard Voyager is a unique record with greetings in many languages and selections of music from around the world, in addition to images and a visual record of the location and inhabitants of our planet, in case Voyager is ever found by extraterrestrials. And that's a pioneering invention shining bright in the stars of science galaxy.